Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel, and again, this is Lorie. In today's video, we are going to ask a couple of Filipinos who cheats more, men or women. So I'm very excited to do this content. So enjoy the interview, guys. Ate, what is your name po?
Abby. Leica.
Nicole po.
Mason.
Dito Remodo.
Jessica Danyes po.
Nice to meet you, Abby. How old are you, Abby?
23.
You're 20. Are you single or in a relationship?
In a relationship.
Boyfriend or husband?
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend, wow. Okay, so here is the question, Abby. Who cheats more, men or women?
Men.
Men. Why men?
Ano po kaya? Dahil hindi nakakontento sa sarap. Pero may pong may reserva.
Oh, so she said men because they are not contented to one. They always tend to have reservation. Oh no, that's bad. Okay, anyway, how about have you ever cheated on? Niloko ka na ba?
Dahil po.
Wow, good for you. Okay, for the next question, have you ever cheated on your boyfriend?
Hindi.
No? Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so for the last thing is, can you give a message to all cheaters out there?
Para sa mga cheater, dahil ka mo magloko sa tao nagsiseryoso sa inyo. Ayan. Thank you.
That's very beautiful. So what Abby said, to all cheaters, don't cheat to people that are serious to you. Laika, nice to meet you, Laika. Laika is very shy, the typical province girl. Okay, so Laika, how old are you?
19.
19. Are you still studying?
Yes.
College or high school?
High school.
High school?
Senior high.
Senior high, I see. Well, this is just what do you call this? Like opinion, you know. Anyway, are you single or you're in a relationship?
And a relationship.
In a relationship. In your opinion, Laika, who cheats more, men or women?
Men.
Men. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Come here, Laika. It's raining here. The weather's not good. So your answer is men. Why men? Bakit lalaki?
Kasi, wait lang po. Kasi
Kasi?
po, instead na maging ano sila sa kanilang girlfriend, yung mga hindi nila nagagawa, mas hinahanap nila sa iba.
So what Laika said that instead of being honest to their girlfriends, what they can't do, they tend to look for it to other women, right? Yes. Okay. For the next sorry, baby. For the next question, Laika, have you ever been cheated on? Niloko ka na ba? Yes or no?
Yes po.
Yes. Wow. Okay. What happened? Can you tell us what happened? Ano bang nangyari?
Nahuli ko po siya na may kasamang iba.
Okay, so what happened is Laika saw her ex-boyfriend, right?
Yes.
Ex-boyfriend with other girl. Okay. For the next question, have you ever cheated on your boyfriend? Niloko mo na ba ang boyfriend mo?
No.
No. Do you have any message to all cheaters? May message ka ba sa mga cheaters?
To all cheater, sana mabago nyo yung sarili nyo. Sana mag-honest kayo dahil nakakasakit din naman kayo ng tao.
So what Laika said is, for all the cheaters, you have to change because you're also hurting other people, right? Yes. A very beautiful name, Nicole. Nice to meet you. How old are you, Nicole?
20 years old po.
20 years old. Very beautiful, Nicole. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single po.
She's single. Are you still studying?
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. So here is the question, Nicole. Who cheats more, men or women?
Pwedeng men po or pwedeng women. Parang magkano lang po sila.
Almost the same.
Oo.
That's a good answer. So what Nicole said, it could be men, it could also be women, right? That's a fair answer. Okay. Have you ever been cheated on? Niloko ka na ba? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What happened? May we know what happened? Ano bang nangyari? Ba't niloko?
Di ko po sigurado kung ano. Dahil,
Kung anong rason. So she is not sure why her ex, right? Her ex-boyfriend cheated on her. That's very sad. Okay. For the last question, have you ever cheated on your boyfriend? Or your ex-boyfriend? Niloko mo na ba yung mga ex mo before?
yes,
Yes.
of course.
May we know why? Bakit bakit ka nang loko?
Ano po, parang ano lang po, bawi lang kasi nilok po ako. Kaya, yun, binalik ko lang po. Pero
Oo.
sa iba na, bako na po sa ex.
Oh, so she wasn't able to get revenge to her ex-boyfriend. So her, what do you call these new boyfriends? Like after her ex-boyfriend, she was able to get revenge, right? So that's what you did, right? Oh, how do you feel after that? Ano bang naramdaman mo after mong mangloko?
Ano po, guilty, ganon.
She feels guilty and do you think it's good? It's good?
Para hindi or pwede. Ganon.
So she's not sure. It could be yes, it could be maybe, right? Well, because she feels guilty. That's a very good you're she's very honest, guys. She's very honest. Well, Nicole, do you have message to all cheaters? May message ka ba sa lahat ng mga cheaters?
Sa mga cheater po dyan, araw ko po, nagseryoso po ako dati. Pero po, nada ko manggaray. Kaya sana po kung swerte na po nindo sa mga sa mga loyal po sa indo, then doon na po pagloko.
That's a beautiful one,
Then,
Nicole.
pag-arogan sa ko.
Good one. Okay, so she said that before that she was very serious. Someone or she was cheated on. So for all the cheaters out there, be serious, right? Don't cheat to your partner, right? I see. Don't hurt anyone. Hazel, that's a very cute name. Nice to meet you, Ate. How old are you, Ate?
24.
24. Okay. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
In a relationship.
Husband or boyfriend?
Husband.
Husband. So you have kids?
2 kids.
2 kids. Wow. So Ate is like an expert here because she's in a relationship and I believe she already had past relationships, right? Yes. Okay, so Ate, here is the question. Who cheats more, men or women? Babae o lalaki? Men. Ooh, have you ever cheated on? Niloko ka na ba? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What happened? May we know what happened? Ano
ko
ba
alam.
nangyari?
Hindi ko mapalam.
Oh, she doesn't know. So, she don't know, you don't know why your ex cheated on you?
Hindi ko alam kasi dati pag uwi niya lang doon sa
Sa
hindi
ibang
na nag-contact.
Oh, so her ex moved to his place, right? His hometown, and then he never contacted you after that, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's very sad. Okay. For the next question, Ate, have you ever cheated on your husband? Niloko mo na ba ang husband mo? Dati? Before? Why? What do you mean? Bakit mo niloko, Ate?
Family problem.
Family problem. I see. I think we can't go in detail about that because that's too serious or that's too but anyway, you said earlier that the one who cheats more are men, right? But you yourself, you cheated on your husband, right? But is your answer the majority? Para sa kagabsan ba ito? Bako lang para sa imo. Is that for majority that you said? Okay. Kuya, who cheats more? Men or women? Babae o lalaki?
Patay. Ano mo kan? Babae da, babae.
Babae.
Mm.
Okay. What do you go? Why?
Tagalog lang ta.
You can answer Tagalog. Bakit babae? Why women?
Ano? Wala ko ay, pag nakahiling ng ibang pogi, yan.
Because when they saw or see what a cute man, so they tend to cheat, right?
Yes.
Okay. Kuya, have you ever been cheated on? Niloko ka na ba?
Oo.
What happened? Ano nangyari?
Siguro siguro may nahiling siya man na mayong nahiling na sa kuya. Ganyan. Kaya nag-ipon niya ito.
So, his answer is maybe because her ex-girlfriend saw something from others that she can't see from Kuya. I see. Kuya, have you ever cheated your ex or your girlfriend now? Niloko mo na ba ang girlfriend mo niyan?
Ayo!
She said yes.
Yes.
Why? Yata, Kuya!
Siyempre, yan yung long distance. Yan.
Long distance relationship. Oh, no. I think, Kuya, do you think long distance relationship is an excuse? Excuse ba yan para mangloko?
Balas-balas lang.
Oh, revenge. Name, nice to meet you, Ate Jessica. How old are you, Ate?
38
38. Wow. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
in a relationship.
Husband? Do you have kids? How
Yes
many
po.
kids?
2 po.
Wow.
Boy
Okay. Boy and girl. Wow, that's very beautiful. Okay, so here is the question, Ate. Who cheats more? Men or women? Tagalog kaya. Who cheats more, Ate? Men or women?
Para sa akin po, ma'am, kasi hindi pa naman ako nanloko, hindi rin ako nanloko. Depende po sa sitwasyon. Para sa akin po, nakadepende po talaga yan kasi may mga tao pong nagpapaloko, kaya po sila naloloko. Para po sa akin, kasi po ma'am, ako sobrang mahal po ako ng asawa ko, kaya never po ako naloko. Kaya para sa akin po ma'am, wala po akong masasabi or babae o lalaki sa
Okay. So she can't give an answer, guys, because it really depends to the situation, just like what she said. It depends. And then for her, she gives herself as an example. She never been cheated on and she never cheated to anyone. So she couldn't really give. But based on what you saw on social media or maybe your friends or relatives, who cheats more? Like the majority, men or women?
siguro po ma'am babae.
Oh, okay. So she said maybe women. Okay. Have you ever cheated on? Niloko ka na ba?
Hindi po
No.
ma'am.
Okay, just like what she mentioned earlier. But have you ever cheated on your husband? Niloko mo na ba yung husband mo?
Never ma'am.
Never. That's a very beautiful. I love that kind of relationship. Okay. Well, Ate Jessica, thank you so much. Salamat.
You've always been my best friend, the one I could count on and rely on till the end. So imagine my surprise to come home and find you gone tonight. I started calling around, found out what's been going down. Well, I've been out of town. Everyone I talked to had the same exact news I never saw coming about you. I never thought you were the cheating kind.